Hi guys, I'm gonna show you an easy recipe for how to make a so-called mold cake. You will need 250 grams of leftover cake, 70 grams of melted chocolate and 55 grams of melted butter. First of all, we're gonna crumble the leftover cake into a bowl. Then we add melted butter and melted chocolate and knead it all together. Put your mixture into a greased baking pan and press it down. You should make the edges a little higher so that you can form kind of a bowl for your filling. Coat your cake base with any fruit jam you like. I used apricot jam for this. Now place some strawberry halves on top of the jam. For the filling you'll need 400 ml of whipping cream, 50 grams of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, 100 grams of strawberry puree and 1 pack of whipping cream stiffener. Whip the cream and add the sugar. Then add the strawberry puree. To make the filling even more delicious, you can add some strawberry cubes. I used about 100 grams of fresh strawberries for this. Next, spread your strawberry filling on your cake base. Shape the filling like a dome to create the look of a molehill for your mold cake. For the dirt look-alike, you'll need to crumble another 100 grams of cake leftovers. Sprinkle your cake with the cake crumbs until you can no longer see the filling shine through. If you want, you can decorate your mold cake with daisies or other flowers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exclusive content.